Here are 10 must-eats in Taipei, Taiwan. Hey Jorelskis! If you are planning to go to Taiwan, save mo na tong video na to and keep on watching para alam mo na kung anong mga dapat mong kainin kapag dating mo sa Taiwan. Okay, start tayo dun sa milk tea. Dahil ang milk tea ay nag-originate sa Taiwan, Sing Futang is on top of the list. They use natural ingredients for their boba. Prepare to fall in line kasi medyo mahaba lagi yung pila. Konting lakad lang on your left is the Aichong rice flour noodles. It reminds me of that miswa noodle soup na super flavorful and yummy. Pagpunta mo sa mga food and night markets, makikita mo na kagad yung mga Taiwanese sausages. Pero you have an option to top it on the sticky rice na may additional silang nilalagay for more umami taste. Around $40 kapag yung sausage lang. But with the sticky rice, around $70 to $80 na. Make sure to try out the pork chop rice meal that comes with beef rice, vegetables, and soup. Usually, you can find them sa mga food courts or other small food stores. Mostly na nakain kong mga pork chop has that distinct umami taste. Also, a must try is their oyster omelette. Goods tong nakain ko kasi generous amount of oysters. Plus, it has that additional sticky textures. When you go to Shifen, must try tong chicken wings with rice inside. Imagine yung rice nasa loob ng chicken wings para conveniently mo na siyang makakain. Pero kung chicken lang gusto mo, get this chicken roll, okay din to. Isa pa tong peanut roll ice cream na kailangan mo matry kapag nasa Jufen or Shifen ka. So, bali fresh peanuts, ice cream, and cilantro is wrapped on a wrapper. Medyo weird yung cilantro taste but it actually works. In fairness, masarap talaga to. Never miss out eating Xiaolong Baos. I would suggest to eat this dun sa mga small stores around kasi promise, mas masarap yung mga ino-offer talaga nila. It's suggested to sip first the soup inside before you dig in for the whole Xiaolong Bao to enjoy it. Mga naka 25 pieces yata ako for the whole trip. Lastly, don't forget to get the hot pot. Highly recommended yung Mala hot pot in Ximending for first timers. Pero ako, I always prefer the hole-in-the-wall restaurants around Taipei. Kayo, ano pang mga Taipei must-eats nyo? Comment down below. Cheers!